Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all once again into my home. As you can see by the title, she's getting a makeover and a reveal will be coming to you soon. Yes, the She Shed is getting a makeover. She's getting a makeover, she's gonna get a name, and we're gonna get a new channel name. So I would love for you all to stick around just to see what we're going to do with the She Shed. Last year, I participated in a 6-week makeover challenge where I chose to organize my She Shed. But this time, you guys, we're going to take her to another level. And you don't want to miss out. So if you're new to my channel, I do welcome you. And if you want to become a part of, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Now, you guys, what you're seeing here, this is the addition period of time. I just have not had the opportunity nor the time to get it to you guys, but I want to make sure that I can get you caught up. Now, if you want to see what I did last year, check out the iCards above. I'm going to include those clips from that 6-week challenge, and you can go and see what I did in regards to organizing. But the She Shed is about to be fabulous, and you don't want to miss out. So again, I welcome you. I thank you for stopping by. Please continue to watch, enjoy, and let me know what you think of the She Shed extension in the comment section below. Be blessed, you guys, and until the next video, I thank you.